In this video, I'm going to go over how to enter your data. I'm just going to do it in a PC. It's pretty similar to a Mac or Google Sheets. Might be a little different with the formatting, but it's pretty much the same. So here you can see I already made an ID column. So here I entered ID, and that's just stands for identification. So you're going to give each person a number instead of their name to kind of keep the data confidential, okay? That's just a typical thing you do in psychology. You know, people don't want to be identified when they're giving out information. So usually give them a number, just 1 through 10. And you want to notice how Excel is set up. So it's set up by columns here, and those go by letters, and it also goes by rows, and those go by numbers. So where I put ID, that's in cell, this is a cell, A1. Where I put gender, that's B1. Where I put this M, that's B2, this is B3, and so on. You get the point. And you should also know, you can either enter the data here, like this, or you can go up here into the formula part and do it there, okay? And so I just entered this, and so each column represents a variable. And that's how you want to set it up. So we have, gender, and I just put an M for male, F for female, major, just psych, math, and other. And this follows my kind of example in the homework 2 instructions, but you should know this is made up data. I didn't make it up. I already collect it all the time, so I don't need to do it. But you please do it because you haven't really done it yet, and it's kind of fun to see the results, okay? And if you have more people, just give them more numbers here. I said at least collect data from 10 people, but the more the better. And so, I have almost all of them here. The last one is the number of psych classes. So I'm just going to put a number sign. You can give things whatever name you want. Hopefully it is informative and you can tell what variable it is, what question it is. But you want to kind of give it short names. And if you want to move this over, then you can do it with this arrow here. And just gonna make up some numbers. I'm just making up numbers. I have no idea how many you guys have taken. Okay. And this is how you enter the data. After I put the number in, I press enter. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty easy to enter the data. But one thing I really want you to take away from this is that this row represents a person, okay? So all this in orange here is person 1. This person 1 is male, is a psych major, has a satisfaction with their last psych class of 8 out of 10, and has taken 6 psych classes. Okay, this person 2, which I'm going to put in a different color. Let's see, let's do blue. This is person 2, and they are female, a math major, and has a 6 for satisfaction and has taken 1 psych class. Okay, so this is how you put the data. You want to make sure the observations match up for each person. Okay, so the rows here are the people and the columns are the variables. Just keep that in mind, okay? And that's it.